Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows, okay? Because you can see I have hardly any eyebrows at all. You can see where they're supposed to be. I used to have really dark eyebrows, almost like a unibrow when I was in school. So now I don't have any. So I'm going to show you how I do mine. And I use the Mary Kay pencil. And it's a very fine, I like that, very small tip to that. And I leave my glasses on because that's kind of my guideline for doing this. And so I'm going to start at the inner corner of my eye, outer corner of my nose, and at the outer corner of my eye and the outer corner of my nose. But we're not coming down, we're going to come out because as we age, we want that lift. We don't want to look like we have tired, sad eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And then I just start right at the top where my glasses are. And I just kind of feather that in. Give myself a guide. And then when I come out here, I'm not going straight down. I'm coming out. Just like that. Can you see that? Now, I overplucked as a kid. So, that could be part of the reason. And then I had radiation done, so that could be another part of the reason, not sure. There, just like that. And then I go ahead and do the other side, same way. And I don't really have to measure anymore because I've done it for so many years, I kind of know where to start. And so we're just going to give a guideline to where we want to feather it in and come out, not straight down. And then I just kind of follow that line and feather that in just like that. Real short strokes. Don't worry about it if you make a mistake because a Q-tip works to correct anything like that. And also, again, I say it and say it and say it, your eyebrows are not identical twins. They're sisters. So get them as close as you can, but don't worry about it if you don't get them exact. Okay? I got a little fuzz here. And I think my eyebrows is one of the things I spend the most time on. Because your eyebrows are really important. They frame your eyes like a picture frame on a window. Okay, and there you can see they're pretty well even, and I'm happy with that. I always put my eyebrows on first because then that shows me where I want the placement of my eyeshadows, and we'll talk about that later. So there you go. And make sure you like, follow, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. And if you need a good eyebrow pencil, if you don't already have a Mary Kay consultant, then I will be happy to help you with that. That comes in several different shades. Blondes are great, light browns, blacks, and dark brown, and all of that. So let me know in the comments what you thought, and we'll talk to you soon.